This Echinopsis cucumber is very etiolated, so I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna remove all the pups. Do you like this POV style video? If you do, please let us know in the comments below. I'm gonna sterilize this with alcohol, and I'm gonna cut until this etiolated part. So when the pups grow here, they will not be etiolated, and also the base is not etiolated. So I'm gonna cut on this part. I'm gonna straighten this base so it will look good. This is a yellow sulfur powder to help avoid fungus and help heal the wound faster. These sticks will help it straighten until the roots set in. Are you excited to see the end result after 2 months and after 5 months? Please continue watching, I'll show it to you shortly. My soil mix is 2 parts soil and 3 parts humus. This is a very loose soil. When you water, the water will just drain away. After planting these pups, I'm gonna show you how it will look after 2 months and how it will look after 5 months. I'm gonna propagate even more by removing some of the pups and planting it directly on soil, and you'll see the effect after 5 months. I'll show it to you shortly. This is how they look after 5 months. You judge how they look, and please let us know in the comments below if you're willing to cut your etiolated cucumber cactus.